Today I'm going to give you a quick mini tour of the farm. I just wanted to show you how everything that I built lately has held up in the snow. And it's surprising how warm the coop is, even though it's not sealed up. And none of my birds are really snowbirds, so they only came out to see what I was giving them, a little bit of warm water. And they strongly prefer this side. In fact, when it's snowing, I usually find them out there. My greenhouse is doing really well in the snow and the wind. Nothing is making it fall over like my last greenhouse did. And all of the plants, except for the summer squash, are doing really well. The lettuce, the radish, even the tomatoes really like it in here. It's at least 10 degrees warmer. It's really nice.